Hey man.
Yeah, man. It's just talking, saying what we're gonna be planning on doing today.
Yep.
Obviously, we are debating whether we should go off to see what that smoke signal was over in the distance, or do a little bit more exploring before heading over there.
Well, I know you mentioned earlier on that there was a cave on the beach before we ended up spending the night here.
Yeah.
Because obviously I've actually managed to get myself. Hold on, that's the wrong thing. I don't want my radio inventory. I've actually made myself a nice spear after hunting for hours trying to find it. So now that I've got a weapon, we could go over to that cave we seen earlier and explore it.
Yeah, I think that'd be the best option. I would go and check that out because obviously it's quite close to us, so it might have a lot of items for us. It might not.
Right, are you ready? Are you ready to go and see what's in this cave?
Well,
oh my god!
Nice.
Jesus, I wasn't expecting that.
I like what I've done with the place. Some nice decoration.
Right, I can't get in. I can't even get in the cave. What the heck?
Yeah, I'm broke the bottom.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense.
You can't.
Ooh. This place is a bit eerie. Oh, that's all nice.
Well, that's a bit of a
Some
spike.
flares. What's that? Ooh.
New location.
Entertainment bunker. I wonder if that's some. Oh, dude, I've picked up some ammo as well.
What I'm curious about what went down is I got a skull.
See, I wonder if that is something to do with the main story that we're doing at the moment.
Pick up there's newspaper on the ground. Pick that up.
Oh yes, yeah. What does it say?
I can't say that way. It's like about a remote island.
Oh yes, yeah. Of course, outbids. Island. So, location of island is still unknown. Lawyers are under strict NDA. Okay, so it's like, I'm guessing from the looks of it, it's like a private island someone owns.
Yeah. So clearly people come here for a reason.
Yeah, and obviously at the start, when I was on the helicopter before the crash, you probably seen it as well. That apparently we're actually looking for missing people. So it's quite
But it's quite mad that there's just this island and no one else really knows about it.
Whoa! Bats.
Oh jeez.
Dude, there's like loads of things like, oh my god. Like teeth and stuff.
Is that a jewel? Oh.
That's what, oh, there's a skull on the road here.
I like what they've done with the place. Very very cozy.
There's meat. Human meat. Oh god.
Pass that here.
I'm not so tired to the little rubber ring thing. Dead body down there. That's not good.
So, he's one of the people from the
helicopter. Like a paddleboard or something like that. Oh, dude.
Oh, sorry.
No, there's someone up ahead. There's another one on the right.
Hello.
Hello?
Room service.
I don't think they're friendly. What the hell's that? Oh my god. What the hell's that? It's still coming. Bro, there's like 3 of them. There's like one that hasn't got a face. Look, it's just got.
I got this. Hold my bag.
Oh, hold on. I picked up a grenade before, didn't I? What happened?
Magic.
Did you have a grenade or something? Because I'm sure I picked up a grenade on the beach earlier on.
It was the right moment in my eyes.
Yeah. There's no one.
I'm gonna get my machete out because.
Oh no, you can cut this thing off. Oh no.
What the?
I've just picked up like meat, like human meat.
Creepy armor.
Oh, another one. Come on, get him. I can't get him. He's stuck on top of the string. Come on. Nice, but he's dead. I think he's dead.
Yeah, he's pretty dead.
I'm just door tapping just in case.
You just making sure, are you?
I'm just making sure. Dude, them things are so creepy. Like, were these zombies or something?
I don't know. It looks like some sort of human hybrid.
So there's a choice of going left or right. What do you reckon? Should we go right first?
Well, if it's not right, then it's left.
Okay.
Okay.
Man, this cave is so eerie.
There's a lot of like corpses and bones and
Yeah,
so,
I know.
I don't understand why there's so much of it.
Ceiling.
Like, you'd think they'd clean up before we came here.
Exactly, man. It could have been a lot clearer.
A bit of room service.
Oh no, look, that skeleton's like stuck in them. Oh, hold on, don't go for it. I've got a thing for this. There it is.
It's coming.
Oh! I was in my inventory! You might want to look out.
Okay. I just being that he blew the bit, if not I blew the bit.
At least I got him.
You just took off my health away.
I said, watch out!
Oh.
Oh, you get these boxes, they've got actually gear in them. That's cool. What's that? Canned food, that'll come in handy.
Wires, bones.
Yeah, I took a little bit of my health as well there. I think I've got like 2 or 3 grenades left. I have to double check on that.
Yeah, you keep them in your inventory and not chuck them around, right?
Oh god, there's your mate. Get him! He's out! Stop him!
Chuck my spear.
I've lost my spear! Ah, no! I'm dying, help me.
Fuck off.
I'm dying, help me.
Fuck off.
I need to re-tank his health. I'm really injured. You get him? Nice. Take that. And that.
Got him.
Dude, that
There's
thing is
crosses
horrible.
around here as well.
I wonder what that is.
I don't know, but this guy seems to be
Whoa.
like this from
Look at all this stuff. Nice, got some meds.
He went down the pipe. Look all the good stuff came out.
I got grenade as well. I'm gonna
Takes
I
guts,
think
that's
those
for sure.
situations where we get surrounded, I'm gonna keep a hold of them grenades.
I'm gonna be in the distance. I'm not getting bombed.
No, there's more flares. Hold on, I'm gonna take a drink of my energy drink here.
Yeah,
is my water supply is not the best. I need to try and find some of those cans lying around. Boxes. Cloth. Good. Did you find anything over there?
No, I just came back this way. I was going that way myself.
Oh, okay. I don't think we should be going this way. This looks like it's gonna end very badly.
Probably. Possibly.
Some that way. I'm gonna
can't go up that way.
some of this way. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that looks safe.
Ooh.
What
Whoa.
is this?
What
Whoa.
is that? Whoa. What is this? Okay. Now that is interesting.
What's a weird artifact like that doing here is what I want to know.
I know, like, what is this? It looks like a gold structure or something. I can't tell. I don't know if that's like bronze or gold.
I think it's like a bronzy sort of, like goldish sort of thing. It could be rusted.
That's quite.
Not too
That's definitely something to look into. Like when we get back to. What we need to do is when we leave this cave is to try and find somewhere to kind of set up as like a base camp as well.
Yeah, I think it's best that we start figuring out where we're going to be staying because we can't just keep... You go this way? Oh yeah, that's the way we came back. We should probably check that other side out as well, see what's
Yeah,
on the
definitely.
other side. Oh.
Man, these guys have definitely seen better days.
Yeah. Could do with a bit more nutrition. Oh, this is a dead end.
There's like a jump over here. I don't know if we can get up here somehow. Oh, here you go.
There we go. Yeah, I can do it.
I feel like something bad's gonna happen like any minute.
Yeah, we
I think we
went that way.
been that
It's
way.
down this way, yeah.
This is gonna be interesting.
Boxes.
I can't break the boxes. There we go. Sorry, did you already got this?
Stop this.
Is there anything else over that way?
No, that's it.
Alright, I think that's most of the cave explored.
Yeah, and we've still got that, when we backtrack, we've still got that other side as well. That
Yeah, that's right, aye, that's right. Yeah. We'll head back if you want and check the other bit out.
Away you go.
You still there?
Hello.
Hello. Dude, I've got my like, my, what do you call it? Like the torch thing in my left hand and I'm climbing up with my right hand. I don't know if that's possible.
I don't know, but we'll work with it.
I've got my right hand and my left hand and I'm climbing the rope.
I didn't even realise there was a body hanging up there.
There was another, because we went, was it left or right or something? We went right, didn't we?
Yeah, we'll go backtrack a little bit to get to
I've checked the right side, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep going back.
because on the right side we've got the taser. Alright.
I think what I need to do is once we leave this cave is to find some more supplies because food, I'm getting quite low on food and water.
Yeah, at the minute I've got like 6 cans
Yep.
and I have 6 energy drinks as well. I've got 5 meds, but I don't have any of them. I've got ramen as well.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with ramen.
Okay, so we've checked out this area, so obviously we've got this area in front of us to have a look at. This cave is absolutely humongous. the radio in.
A lot of, like, stuff you wouldn't expect to be underneath, like, in a cave, like, what is half this stuff here?
Yeah, I know.
Like, why is there, like creatures that are in here? Like, what's... Like, this is, like, human, like, sort of human thing.
Obviously something massive went down, something bad went on, yeah, so we need to find out really. I'm guessing that's what we came here for. You hear like a rumble in the back, can you hear like a rumble?
Yeah, like...
Oh god.
What?
Look at this place.
Is that a shark?
Dude, there's a shark!
What's a shark doing here?
Whoa, there's a shark here. What the hell?
Like
I can actually take a drink? Oh, nice, you can.
Yeah, I don't think it's fresh.
Yeah, it's not, because I think I'm getting sick.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat some food.
There's loads of armpits and stuff. I'm gonna try and get over here and not get eaten by a shark.
I can't use the can
How the hell is there a shark in here? Oh, flares. Oh, look at this! Yo, dude, I've picked up some diving gear. Some supplies over here as well. Oh, nice. MREs.
Oh.
Nice. There's loads of resources over here. This will really help.
It's handy.
I've picked up like diving gear.
Yeah. Cause I like... Hold on. I'm gonna try something here. Just bear with me while I try this out.
I'm gonna try something really stupid. There's a shark. There's a shark gone.
Are you trying or not trying? Oh.
That didn't work. You shot the shark!
Just shot the shark. Trying to get rid of the shark because I know for a fact he might be coming.
That actually
Yeah,
stays
that's not
lit.
good.
That's class.
I'm just trying to... Hey, but how does that work?
There's still stuff to explore over there, dude. But the shark's gonna be a problem.
Where's Sharky?
That's like a great white as well.
Yeah, how's that in here? Get out the water! Get out the water! Give me a shark. Why are you talking to them?
Ah, just bit me!
Why are you talking in the radio?
Oh god, I don't know why I have my radio out there.
Give me a shark.
A drink. Small supplies here as well. Can you use your spear underwater? Is what I want to know. I want to explore more of this, but obviously this shark's going to be a problem unless we get rid of it. Where's it gone?
Oh, you what?
It just swam, dude. It just swam into this like rock here and disappeared.
I'm confused. Where'd it go?
Do you know what? I'm gonna put my diving gear on and have a quick look down there. Hold on. Have I got it on? Oh, dude, that looks so cool. Have I got mine on as well?
Yeah, yours is on.
Okay. This is so cool. Don't know where the shark's gone though. I can barely hear you underwater.
Follow me over here.
Yeah.
I see the shark thing.
It's like stuck. It's like stuck in the wall. I mean, that'll do.
The shark's gone at least, which matters it.
We need to hurry and get out of here before we're drowned.
Wait, what? Hopefully we'll get back to those grounds.
Yeah, I'm swimming because I don't want to lose my oxygen.
Don't worry about it. Who needs oxygen?
I can barely hear you when you're underwater, by the way. Jesus, how long's this cave? Oh my god. Is there any end to this? Oh? What the?
I just said right.
Whoa! Wow, the cave!
Oh,
That's
jeez.
I wonder if that's how the shark got in then.
Yeah, from down there.
We should...
Such a big shark, but how did it fit in
I've
there?
got no idea, but we probably should get out of the sea before we get eaten by another shark.
Yeah, we took out one shark.
I know, somehow, with great difficulty.
That's crazy.
That was a big cave.
Yeah, that was.
I'd still like to know. I would still like to know where the what that big massive thing inside the cave was as well.
Yeah, it's a lot of curious thoughts, like what that thing was just down there and it was just moving around, and why was like a ancient artifact down there as well?
Yeah, I know. Definitely. We'll have to have a look into that. Well, until the next one.